Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Microsoft Outlook for managing your day, you know how chaotic your calendar can get when your working hours don't actually match your real schedule. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to change your Outlook working hours, step by step, so your calendar perfectly reflects when you're available. This quick guide will save you time, reduce confusion, and help your team know exactly when you're on the clock. Let's jump right in. Log into Outlook first things first. Open your browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or Edge, and head over to the official Outlook website. Click Sign In, enter your email address and password, and once you're in, look for the calendar icon on the left-hand side. This is where all the scheduling magic happens. Switch to Workweek View. Now that you're in your calendar, you'll want to switch to Workweek View. This focuses your calendar on your actual working days instead of showing all 7 days of the week. From here, you can easily customize which days count as part of your work week. Maybe you only work Monday through Thursday. No problem. Just uncheck Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Outlook will now show only the days that truly matter for your schedule. Adjust your working hours. Next, let's fine-tune your daily hours. In Outlook's calendar settings, you can set your start and end times, for example, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., or whatever fits your real routine. These hours will show up whenever colleagues try to book meetings with you, so they'll instantly see when you're available and when you're not. By customizing your working hours, you're not just tidying up your calendar, you're setting clear boundaries. It helps colleagues know your availability, improves work-life balance, and prevents those awkward late evening meeting invites. And here's a bonus tip. Use out-of-office updates to automatically notify people when you're unavailable. And that's it. Your Outlook calendar now reflects your real-world schedule. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting me know what other Outlook or productivity tips you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.